Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to turn off touch sound in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. Suppose if you touch on navigation button or if you touch on any app, there will be a sound. This is called touch sound. If you would like to turn off this touch sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of a tablet here, then go to sound, and here you will find touch sounds. Just to turn off this button so that touch sound will not appear hereafter if you touch anywhere on the screen, whether on navigation buttons or anywhere on the screen. If you if you tap one time on anywhere on the screen, there will be no sound because touch sound will not be enabled. Okay, it has been disabled. So in this way you can easily turn off touch sound in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.